Welcome to Evoqua's ToolDOX Portal How-To series. Today we are going to walk you through the printing functions available within the portal. Once in a manual book, the print button will appear on the left side of the screen. The deeper you dive into the book, the more options you will have available. For example, if we go into one of the drawings and click Print, you will see that there is an option to print the whole book or manual, just the chapter or section you are viewing, or the page or drawing that you are on. The chapter and page options only appear when you are at those levels of the book. After selecting what you want to print, continue with the remaining selections, which can typically remain as is. Then select Print to export the file. After pressing Submit, a Job Manager screen will appear. Wait for the status to say Complete, and then click the job you want to print to open it in a new tab. Note that if you have multiple things you would like to print and don't want to wait, you can close out of the window. Simply click the Job Manager button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to get back to the pop-up. Once open, you can save the file to your desktop or print it using File Save in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Keep in mind that the look of the PDF viewer may vary based on the version of Adobe you are using. If you are just looking to print a singular static PDF file within the portal, you will have the option to use the same toolbar as previously mentioned from within the ToolDOX portal. Simply click the Print or Save icon located above the document. Thank you for watching our printing tutorial. In the next video, we will show you how to create custom shelves.